Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how points work in Skool, okay? So basically, points in Skool are a gamification feature, and basically points, you basically earn them, and it's like a progression system that encourages users to produce quality content and interact with other members of the community. So this is coming from the Skool website itself. You can kind of see here that what you see is that you see the communities created, the memberships, and other contributions from Jane Doe. But points are earned when others like your post, comments, or replies. So one like equals 1 point for the post or comment author. So once you make a post, if people like it, that basically builds you points. And so after a member obtains a certain amount of points, they simply just level up. So it's like a gamification feature on Skool, and it makes it very easy to have members interact with each other. So a member's current level can be seen in front of their name or in their profile, like seen here. So Jane Doe has 5 points needed more to level up, and she's level 1 right now. So within Skool, you can also view leaderboards to the group and you are currently in, and admins or creators of the group can actually lock certain courses that can only be obtained once you actually hit a certain level. So as you see here, Community 101 is unlocked, but in order to unlock how to create a course, you need to be level 2. And so what I like about Skool is that it makes it super easy to actually go ahead and have or encourage people to interact with each other. So here are the numbers of points required to reach a certain level. You have level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so this is a really cool thing about Skool as far as like the gamification feature goes. So if you haven't signed up for Skool just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. Skool makes it super easy to actually build a community. And if you use my link down below to sign up, you can get 14 days free trial of Skool.